Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we talked about the New Mexico state, and today we are gonna talk about another state, which is Kansas state. So on my screen, you can see I have the report, I have the spreadsheet for this particular state. Before we move to start the filing of this particular state, I would like to request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest sales tax information. So let's move back to the topic. I followed the same procedure. This is my pivot table. Just to want to ensure if it's updated, and just want to ensure that every line is covered in this pivot table. So you can see that's updated. I just want to click refresh here. So now this is my spreadsheet on the portal. This is the portal. This is my return. The due date for Kansas state is 27th May, since 25th was on 25th falls, 25th will be falling on the weekend, so therefore the due date is 27th. Normally the due date for this particular state is 25th of the following month. So I have the counties here. Now you can see I have some counties here listed. If there is any county which is not in the list, you can just add this add that county or that particular state, sorry, not state, city, through just add jurisdiction. So let's start filing. uh, the first one is this Overland Park. This is my Overland Park. I'm gonna put my sales here. So in fact I have to type this because my total deductions. So on my non-taxable sales, I have this 46469.64. This is my tax amount. So you see, this is the tax amount 462.06, 462.06. I have the same tax amount. The next one is this one. So this was 550.80, 550.80, and this is my non-taxable sales 83.30, 44.8. Then I have this on my spreadsheet 34,626.10. This is my non-taxable sales. Six 616.93, 616.93, 616.93. Then I have this 250. Then I have 1995, 1995, 1995. So the total tax, if you can see here, I have the total sales are these are my total sales, you can see, and the total tax which I have on my 122 1.13, 122 1.14. I will click continue. Then I will again click continue. I will click continue. So now here I just need to select the account number, the payment, the date on which I need to make the payment, and then I will just click the continue and I will submit this return. So this is how you can file the sales tax return for Kansas state. Pretty straightforward. It's not that complicated. It's a pretty straightforward return. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.